Mama, why are you hiding your face?
I'm driving in my car. I turn on the radio. It is now time to open Disney Doorables. Let's go.
And I think this is series 2, series 3. I don't know. We'll find out, but I want this one, which is Stitch, because duh. So let's get them out. All right, Mama, you want to pick one out of your pyramid?
Baby, you can drive my car.
Right,
Yes,
get it
I'm
open and start guessing. All right, everyone, just for reference, these are all of the ones that you can get. And we don't have any of these, so Mama's gonna start guessing. All right, so we're changing around how we're doing this. Mom's not just gonna feel the vehicles, she's gonna open the vehicle and then guess who it belongs to. So.
Oh, somebody who's got a pink. It's probably.
Who do you think that is?
Oh, Cheshire Cat.
Okay, there you go. Let's see how cute he looks.
He is really cute, actually.
He's really cute. I love his. Oh, look, he's wearing a helmet. He's safety first, everyone.
Right.
Safety first. All right, Mama, pick your next one.
Out.
All right, Mama, pull out the car and guess who it belongs to.
It belongs to.
Huh? I wonder who that could be.
Under the sea, darling, it's better down where it's wetter.
All right, she's also really cute
She is
too.
really cute. Look at her little hat
Yes.
with the shell on it and her little.
Yes.
Purple
She's
and
ready for a
green.
drive.
She is.
So Cheshire Cat is a common, as is Ariel. So Mama, pick your next one. Toddy-ho. All right, Mama, let's get the car out.
Well, this one is in red packaging.
And it's
so-
number 22.
Number 22.
What's the car look like? Oh, it's pink.
It's pink.
I think we know who it is.
By the bow, it's got to be Minnie.
Yes, and if this is Minnie Mouse, she is an ultra rare.
Well, look at Minnie.
There she
Maybe
is.
that's why she's in a red packaging.
Yeah, I don't know if they're going to do that with these, but Mom, I'll put it in for you.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Please hold. So we have 2 commons and 1
Actually,
ultra rare.
they're all different colors.
Yes. So Mama, get your next one.
Meeny, meeny, miny, you.
All right, start guessing. Correction, Minnie Mouse is a super rare. The ultra rares are marked by pink. They changed the color coding for this one. So Mama, you ready to get your car out?
It's super rare. Wow.
Oh, it's another new one. All right, do you know who that one is? I know who it is.
Oh, Tangled.
Yes, what's her name?
Oh my gosh. Rapunzel.
Yes. And if this is Rapunzel, she is a super rare. All right, let's get her in her car. Oh, I like her little hat. It's very cute. All right, so we have 2 super rares, 2 commons, and 2 left. Wonder who we'll get next. All right, Mama, you ready to open the car and guess who it belongs to?
This one is darker in color. Oh,
It's another new one.
it is another new one.
All right, who does that belong to?
Oh, of course. Who wears a glass slipper? No, none other than Cinderella.
And she is a rare.
Look at her cool shades.
Her shades are very cool. So we have no dupes so far, which is amazing.
Yes.
And we have 2 super rares, 1 rare, and 2 commons. So
And can I tell you something? A child would love playing with these because
yes.
they can. Whee!
Yep. All right, Mom, get ready for the last one. Want to get your car out?
Let's see the last one. Oh,
Oh, this is another new one. Who does that belong to?
Barbie.
Barbie?
It's pink. Is this another Minnie?
No. You'll like this one.
Daisy Duck, maybe? Because I'm seeing daisies. Oh, they're very. Oh, of course, Piglet.
It's Piglet, and Piglet is a rare.
So we didn't get any commons?
We got 2 commons,
Which ones were
2
commons?
rares, 2 super rares,
Oh my gosh, look at Piglet.
and no Stitch.
Sorry.
But that's okay. Maybe I'll buy more at a future date. We will find out.
Super cute.
All right, Mama, anything to say about your cars?
I think they're going to just have a good old one more time.
All right, Mama. Anything to say to the fans before we sign off?
Thanks for watching.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.